Hey everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Today I'm gonna show you a very cool design. This design, it's coming with the same technique, very similar of one I already did for the eagle that is gonna be very useful for the 4th of July. I'm sure it's gonna be popular line twisting, and I think this one is going to be line twisting for Easter. Just 2 balloons. What? 2 balloons, and it's a hat, a bunny hat. You don't need a headband, so this is a cool concept. I love it. I'm sure a lot of you watching this video are thinking, Cecilia, love it, perfect, this is what I wanted, because a lot of you love to start creating designs with less balloons possible. So this is a 2 balloons hat. So it's a 2 balloon hat, and it's a bunny. Perfect for Easter, perfect for any occasion. Even you can use this design when you go to fairies, like, or what is fair? Like for me, I go to a county fair, right? I say fairies, but a fair, come on, feria. Birthdays, for any occasion, really. This is a very cool concept, and now play with that. Create also your own designs, combine ideas, make it yours. And if you make something, tag me, or also you can find me on Facebook as The Balloon Lady. I create a Facebook account that is The Balloon Lady. Find me there, request your friendship. That way we can connect better with images. I think that's the best place, because I try, it's not that easy, but I didn't know how big and cool it's gonna be, this YouTube channel. So when I started this YouTube channel, I connected also with my business company that for entertainment, that is Alpaca Global. But Alpaca Global is more a business concept to connect with my community in Cheyenne, Wyoming. And Cecilia Lady Balloons, it's my YouTube channel for tutorials. That's what I kind of want to separate it. And that's what I'm thinking, okay, let's use that Facebook, The Balloon Lady, to connect with all of you that wants to share images and share more ideas. Okay, on Facebook, The Balloon Lady. And I'm gonna try to see if I create a site, Instagram, instead of Alpaca Global, that's my Instagram for my business. Let's do one that it's The Balloon Lady or Cecilia Lady Balloons. I'm gonna plan more, but so far we have this YouTube channel, and it's growing and growing and getting better and better thanks to all of you, thanks to your support, your collaboration. I think it's a wonderful community. And finally, this YouTube channel have memberships, and I think that it's the way to keep growing stronger this YouTube channel. Join the memberships, you will get extra exclusive content, premieres on what is the new fresh ideas coming in videos as tutorials. And that way you will receiving more content, but at the same time, you're going to be helping this YouTube channel to keep growing, getting better and better. I hope next year we can bring 1 more or 2, if it's possible, exclusive members to register and be part of Bling Bling Jam Balloon Convention. That would be amazing. This year, just past, I did a raffle with all the exclusive members of this community, Cecilia Lady Balloons, and 1 winner have a free registration for Bling Bling Jam Balloon Convention 2026 this year. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Christina Roman is going to Bling Bling Jam Balloon Convention thanks to this YouTube channel. That makes me so happy. It will be amazing if we can do more. But already that is a sacrifice, because that registration at that time when I bought it, it was $275. Right now it's like $300, and it's gonna still raising the pricing. It's still cheaper comparing other balloon conventions, but this one is my favorite. I recommend it to you. Register now so you can also join and be there at Las Vegas Bling Bling Jam 2026 from November 8th to November 12th. Those are the days of this balloon convention, Bling Bling Jam Balloon Convention, this year 2026. From November 12th to November 8th, to November 12th. Join it, and I hope we see and meet each other in person. It's gonna be amazing. This year I'm getting married. I'm gonna celebrate my 20th anniversary with Ian, my husband, and for the first time I'm gonna be wearing a wedding balloon dress. That's already for me like, wow, I can imagine. I know for sure it's going to be a wonderful time, because every year it's been amazing. I love it. That's what I go back year by year. I recommend it. Join this awesome balloon convention. Register now because it's cheaper. And also join the memberships of this YouTube channel. And thank you so much for your like, comment, subscribe. That's it. Let's start this awesome design, super line twisting. Again, you can play with white, you can play with pink, the color you prefer. I have a lot of whites thanks to Alicat. Thank you so much, Alicat, for sending balloons, because I practicing and practicing and practicing, and I have more to share with all of you. Let's inflate it almost all the way. Just leave maybe one finger tail. Okay, something like this. Yeah. Oh, let me see the camera, the angle. Oh my goodness. Are you able to see me? Oh my goodness. Oh no, I've been talking and probably, you see, that's what happened when I'm trying to make a video without looking at me because the resolution is better. But you are there. Okay, let me just quickly. Nothing is a big deal, guys. Nothing is a big deal. We're gonna do it. We're gonna have a good time. I just wonder why the zoom, right? It's like zoom it, but it is what it is. We just keep going. And well, I don't know why. Ooh, oh, now makes sense. Cecilia, you're learning always something new. Okay. It's because you know what? I'm using my watch as my monitor to see if I'm there, and I'm there now. But at the same time, you know what? I miss the whole thing, invitations, but it's okay. It's okay. Cecilia, make again the video. Like, take forever to do this. So I'm gonna just keep going. You play the balloon all the way, and then you create a bubble, and then a loop. That is 2-finger loop, and lock it. So basic, easy peasy, easy peasy. Then 5-finger long, something like this, and then 2-finger bubble loop. That's it. That's it. Now go around there, somebody's head. You know, that is comfortable. It feels comfortable, great. Take it out and measure right there. Like something like this. And then we are here. We are here. So what to do with this? You just have to push the air to here, create a bubble, and that bubble connected here, because here we didn't make a pinch twist, remember? Because we're waiting for this side. Push, bubble, and take it here. Like 2-finger bubble is good enough. With the loop that is here on top, just split it in half. If it's soft or squishable, it's gonna be easier to pinch and twist. Okay, that's it. We got this. We got this. Now grab your second balloon to 60 wide. Inflate it almost all the way. Just leave 2-finger tail. Just leave 2-finger tail. Something in the wind, you know. Okay, now here, squish stretch. Why I'm doing this? Do you have to do it? Not really. You don't have, maybe if you have Serpentex or a good brand quality balloon. What happened is, I have balloons that are good. Thank you so much, Alicat, again. But the balloons, the brand, I noticed it doesn't stretch that much. They're not that long to have, you know, more than other brand balloons. So what I do here, it's I squish stretch, and that's it. Okay, you just make 5-finger loop, bam, 1 ear. Then repeat 1-finger loop, whip, twist, and you have this. Then you're gonna make, in order to make it easier, like no more than 2-finger bubble. Look, no more than this, and that you're gonna pass it in this middle. So how? It's better grab the end, all the balloon, the long piece, pass it through, and that's it. And then you have this, and then you gonna measure here 1-finger bubble, then another 1-finger bubble, pinch twist. So you have 1-finger bubble, pinch twist. And now you're gonna make a loop that goes around all that. Let's see. Let's do it. Pass it, and then loop approximately 5-finger loop, 6, no more. Okay, grab the pinch twist. That's your helper to close, you know, that loop. Then that little pinch twist in the back, it can be in the back, right here. Right here, it's fine. That way, this starts going a loop like this. What? Awesome! I love it. I love it. So what to do? Okay, squeeze stretch. but you need the end of this balloon to make a bubble, pew, 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 and then grab it at the middle of this big loop here. So you can always, okay, make sure it's a middle, pew, it's a middle, exactly, pinch, twist. You want all that, but may be too much. So what I do is I just pinch here with my eyes, see middle, pin, grab the end, make a bubble, like 2-finger bubble. We can say that is the tail, the cotton tail. How so cute. Pinch all together and twist the little bubble, and that's it. So you have this. You have this. It's a very cute bunny. It's a super cute bunny. Play with 350s, play with bigger balloons. That's fine. You can always make it better, add more details, take some details. This is just kind of the basic, and then from here expand your creativity, or just keep it this way. This is the recipe to be super line twisting, but you can always make it more elaborated. Attach a carrot, add stickers of flowers, make it yours, make it better. That's awesome. Have fun. Okay, you have this. Now it's Sharpie time. Sharpie time. And the Sharpie time is many different ways, but this is one. I start with pink. Grab pink and pass it in the center here, some loops, and then here some the middle, a nose, and then here to the side, representing cheeks. Things doesn't have to be perfect. We try and do our best. And if you have stickers, why not? This is the moment. You don't want to mess. And this is a very cheap stickers from Amazon or Temu. So any stickers you see, I see the name. I better use them, right? Because what is gonna be that I'm not gonna be able to use it? It matters? Doesn't matter much. You know, it's a part of. So you can always make it part of. It's like, wow, these kitty cats have like human eyes. How not human? It is what it is. Now with black, define. Oh man, I hope my black got dry. I forgot to close it. Can you believe it? Yeah, I forgot to close it. Now it reminds me that I have tutorials in Spanish. This same design, it's in Spanish too. You can watch it because you can always find a way that I maybe forgot, and it's not the same way, because that's the fun part about balloon twisting. It doesn't have to be the same way, and you can always make it better. And this is how I make it right now, but you can always make it better. Now from here, I'm gonna close my marker, very firm, and I'm going to wear it, okay? I'm gonna push my whee, and I'm gonna put it right now here. Whee. So good thing about this design, it's looking to everybody, picture time, awesome. And you will see there, I'm gonna ask my husband to take me pictures. That way I think I can use it to promote this tutorial, and also this idea to hire me for Easter parties here in my town. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? You can just use Sharpie time and use it this way. That's cool. This was my first attempt. It's not bad. It's just I have to kind of understand the balloons. The brand I'm using is not that long, but this can fit perfect a kid's head. This one fits me great. It's the same brand balloon. So that's it. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. See you in my next videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and join the membership, please. Your support, your collaboration is very well appreciated. My birthday is coming soon, and that is another way for me to invite you to collaborate with this YouTube channel. What I do on my birthday, every year, it's a live stream opening presents, and the presents all coming from you. How are you gonna send me presents? My address, my Amazon wish list, it's below in the description of all my videos. So check it out. On the description of these videos, you will find my address. You can send balloons, you can send markers, you can send scissors, anything you think is good for this art or this part of entertainment. Even, you know, outfits for events, because, you know, as balloon twister for different events, it's like I wear Christmas outfits for the Christmas season. I wear Easter outfits for the Easter season, and things like that. Wanna see ideas? Amazon. Go to my Amazon wish list. Whatever you buy from my Amazon wish list, it will come straight to my house, and I will very well appreciate it. And the idea to make the live stream fun It's that I will open all the presents that you're sending from now until my birthday, that is March 7th. I'm gonna be able to open it in front of everybody and discover what is this for, or what this could be good. And then for the whole year, rest of the year, I'm gonna be using, if there's balloons, I'm gonna be using the balloons you send or anything you sent, and people will be able to see and learn and have ideas, if it's convenience or not to have this. A lot of things people sent, I yet haven't used it, because you see, it's like all depending how it goes during the whole year of what type of events I have. But a lot of things, most of the time balloons, I use it super fast. And anyways, that is my invitation. Consider it. Your support, your collaboration helps a lot. Of course, donations are very well appreciated. Take it as tips. Tips are very well appreciated. My Venmo, my PayPal, it's there all the time. And what else I can do? People think, Cecilia, you should create accounts for, to invite more people to donate, like patrons, or what is the one, the coffee thing. But if you would like to collaborate, I think there's these choices that are a good idea, and there's still not many people that collaborate that way. But I'm just trying to share it with you. I know just by you watching and sharing and liking the videos and leaving your comment is a very cool way. Subscribing to this YouTube channel helps a lot too. That's how we started, reaching more and more subscribers. So thank you, all of you. Thank you for all your support. Everything helps, everything counts. And keep watching, there's always coming more. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I think it's cute. It's gonna be on your menu board. Think about it, create it as a clip art. If you wanna use it as a clip art, let me know. I can share with you pictures. So a lot of people creating clip arts prefer the background to be white or one color, solid color. So I'm gonna try to do that. And if you want it, let me know. I will send it to you. Okay? Have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.